Welcome to the big bad world of Bollywood. Just when we thought we were only dealing with a pornography case, we had a case of mistaken identity and claims of an illegal marriage coming our way. From the latest on the Raj Kundra case to the controversy surrounding Priya Mani's marriage, here are the biggest newsmakers of the day. Did Raj Kundra bribe the crime branch with rupees 25 lakh to avoid arrest in the ongoing pornography case? This has been a big question on everyone's mind today after absconding accused Yash Thakur alleged that the businessman dropped the big bucks to avoid arrest. The Anti-Corruption Bureau had even forwarded the complaint to the Mumbai Police Chief's office in April, but the city officers have refused to comment on the same. Meanwhile, on the sidelines, it's been reported that Raj had a plan B in place to launch another app after Hot Shots was blocked on the App Store. Going as far as calling the app a blessing, a set of chats that went viral allegedly have Kundra saying, Plan B started max 2-3 weeks, the new app will be live iOS and Android, it's a blessing. Going against her legal counsel, Poonam Pandey was back in the headlines late last evening when she claimed that Kundra and co. leaked her personal mobile number writing, "Call me now, I will strip for you," when she decided to terminate her contract with them. Levying serious allegations against Kundra, she said, "I was threatened and forced to sign a contract which stated I had to shoot, pose and look a certain way according to their will or else they'd leak all my personal stuff." To hear all that, she had to say head on over to E-Times. One person left fuming in this fiasco was Marathi actor Umesh Kamath, who got tangled in this case owing to mistaken identity. Taking to social media, the actor slammed media houses for defaming him and using his image for another Umesh Kamath, accused in the ongoing Raj Kundra case. Threatening action, he also clarified, "Umesh Kamath, alleged to be involved in the Raj Kundra case, is not me. I request you all to take note of the same and not fall for the absolute false and negligent news coverage." In some family drama, the Family Man star Priya Mani has found her marriage to Mustafa Raj contested in court. Mustafa's first wife, whose name is Aisha, has slipped a criminal case against the couple, saying that they have not separated legally till date and hence his marriage to Priya Mani is illegal. Not just that, she has even filed a case of domestic violence against Mustafa. The cases in question are currently in the magistrate courts. In some filmy news, word doing the rounds hints at Rhea Chakraborty looking for international opportunities. The actress, who was in the spotlight throughout 2020 due to the tragic demise of her boyfriend Sushant Singh Rajput, is trying to get her life back on track, and according to the latest reports, she is doing so far away from Bollywood. Keeping work as her top priority, sources tell our bees, 3 of the top international casting companies are in conversation with Rhea currently. She hasn't made up her mind as to which one of those she will finalize, but she has kept her options open as of now. Well, way to go, girl, and that's all for today. We'll be back tomorrow with some more juicy deets and hot headlines. Till then, bye-bye.